The steeple atop a New Jersey church, more than 100 years old, was damaged in this week's storm. But as Kristie Keleshian reports, the community is already at work.
A delicate process to remove the steeple at St. Paul's United Methodist Church that locals consider a landmark.
It looks so different. It's hard to orient yourself.
It's what neighbors like Charlie Dilatosh, owner of the Bayhead Cheese Shop, used to orient themselves around Bayhead. On Tuesday morning, the Ocean County fire inspector noticed the steeple was leaning, possibly due to the wind from the recent snowstorm, and deemed the building unsafe to occupy, even having residents in this nearby home evacuate.
My text is blowing up all day long and all day yesterday.
Church trustee chair Rob Marion says congregants are eager for updates on the steeple, believed to have been put up around 1955. On Thursday, carpenter Chuck Romer and his crews drilled holes into it as it was safely lowered.
The base just detached there, and it had rods through it. It was framed right and everything like that. It's just pretty high up and a lot of wind.
Over the next month or so, his team will restore it and better secure its base once it's back up. Romer thanks the support from the community as they watched.
Everybody was just supportive and just cheering us on, sending us messages and stuff like that. So it was just really nice.
Frequent passerby Brian O'Neill says it's a little detail that gives this Jersey Shore town some character.
It's definitely a staple in town for a long time. So hopefully it comes back.
Now the next step here is to get this hole patched up and weather tight. The church says it is expecting to have Sunday service return to normal this weekend. In Bayhead, Kristie Keleshian, CBS News, New York.